A soaker hose is a unique way of gradually dripping water onto thirsty plants. They are ideal for keeping on whilst you are at work during hotter weather or even overnight to really soak the ground. Soaker hoses are also great for establishing younger plants or hedges. Our guide video on the 8 best soaker hose has all the choices you could hope for. We've included quite a few types of soaker hose, so pay attention and pick the one best suited for your needs. If you are using any of the soaker hoses, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments. Number 8. Zixixiz Heavy-Duty Soaker Hose. Do you need the best soaker hose for your ordinary use? The Zixixiz Heavy-Duty Soaker Hose is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. It makes certain to carry a grin to your face. This heavy-duty garden soaker hose is made from 70% recycled rubber and 30% polyethylene. Thick, durable, resilient, and antioxidant. It is environmentally friendly and pollution-free. The soaker hose fittings are easier to connect and disconnect. You can screw the end of the soaker hose fittings into the end of either another hose or the exterior faucet on your house. It can easily be moved whenever necessary. This black soaker hose also can be used anywhere: the garden, greenhouse, allotment, flower beds, planter boxes, closely planted or narrow areas, vegetable gardens, or loops around trees. It is ideal for a multitude of jobs outside the home, such as plant watering and patio cleaning. The soaker water hose comes with connectors to provide an efficient watering system that will water your flower beds and garden right at the roots without damaging delicate plants or not yet ripe vegetables and fruits. It allows you to water plant beds constantly moving around. Number 7. Holldoor Soaker Hose. The soaker hose by Holldoor is one of the best soaker hoses on the market. It is a great choice for you. This soaker hose is made from a partially permeable material. It will evenly distribute water over the entire length of the hose because of the nature of its makeup. When you turn on the water, it also will slowly spray out water from the entire length of the soaker hose, not just from a straight line of holes. They rest on the ground around your garden, soaking the ground around them. There are 2 methods to use this soaker hose. The soaker hose delivers water steadily to your plants. It provides reliable water delivery at ground level, helping the foliage on your plants remain dry and free from fungal growth while helping you conserve water. Then you will use less water to keep your plants growing and healthy, targeting only the base of your plants. This soaker hose usually has a low up-front investment for the average home garden. They work well on timers to further conserve water. Number 6. Rocky Mountain Good Soaker Hose. If you are looking for the best soaker hose, then look no further than the Rocky Mountain Good Soaker Hose. It works to save up to 70% of the water used in your garden, allowing for more effective watering. The design works to deliver water right to where it's needed, your plant's root zone. This also helps to reduce water loss through evaporation, a common issue if you live in a hot or arid climate. It also delivers a consistent seep throughout its entire length. You won't have to worry about only certain areas of your garden bed getting watered. This hose will work to deliver water to the entire area that it covers. It's also 100% environmentally friendly, which makes it perfect for use with vegetables, herbs, and other edible plants. This particular soaker hose has been designed to be as heavy-duty as possible. It features a double-layer design and is made using PVC. This is then covered in extra strength fabric to ensure the longevity of the soaker hose, which is ideal if you plan on using it regularly, through all seasons, in your garden. Number 5. H2O Works Garden Flat Soaker Hose. The patented Garden Flat Soaker Hose water leaks at the rate of 2 gallons per 2 minutes at regular 60 psi, which outperforms most of the currently recycled soaker hoses on the market. It is distributed out evenly along the whole hose since it is made of PVC material instead of recycled rubber, which causes an uneven amount of water permeating both ends of the hose. This water leakage soaker hose comes with a compact design that only takes up 0.15 featuring 3. It saves the storage space and time sorting out the hose after work. You can also place the hose where you want water to be, either above the ground surface or beneath the layers of leaves or soil, with water pressure no greater than 60 psi. It is easy to carry and set up for women and children to enjoy outdoor fun. The high degree of tensile strength makes this hose more durable in the hot summer. It is thick for resilience and for lays flat, easier handling and winding. The 1/2 inch diameter fits all kinds of water supply, pipe, leak hose thread and water faucets. Number 4. Raindrip 50 feet soaker hose. This 50 feet soaker hose from Raindrip gently seeps water out of the entire line, moistening the soil around plants for complete root zone hydration. It attaches the tubing to a larger supply line using a 1/4 inch fitting or clamp-in pierce connector, and places tubing in the area to be irrigated. The Raindrip 50 feet soaker hose is ideal for short runs on flat surfaces such as vegetable gardens and borders, and is also great as a watering ring around small plants. With the non-pressure compensating soaker tubing, expect varying water flows based on the length of tubing or landscape elevation, with higher flows closer to the water source. This soaker hose is made of recycled rubber treated with UV inhibitors for durability. It also has drip irrigation systems that are easy to customize, install, and operate. As part of a complete system, the soaker tubing evenly waters the root zone of your plants, keeping it moist with water. Your plants maintain the ideal balance between water and air for optimal growth and overall health. Number 3. Swan Products Soaker Hose. Many gardeners love the innovative design of this soaker hose that comes with a sprinkler. Enjoy reduced stress when watering your plants with this Swan Products soaker hose. Even the construction of this best quality soaker hose is innovative. It uses reinforced recycled rubber to make a flat soaker hose. As a result, this best-rated soaker hose remains flat even after a rollout, making it the best for gardens. With this soaker hose, you are guaranteed an efficient watering of your large garden or lawn. It can water a whole garden in under an hour. This efficiency eliminates the time-consuming factor experienced using other types of soaker hoses. It contains 65% of recycled rubber for simplified rollout and eliminates any possible twists or kinks. The soaker hose has a unique combination of performance and precision watering of your garden. It also has an efficient design that leverages the latest technology for improved strength. It also improves the longevity of this best soaker hose for gardens. Number 2. Melnor Flat Soaker Hose. When it comes to the conventional soaker hose with a flat design, you should consider the Melnor Flat Soaker Hose at top of your list. It is one of the most popular choices of garden hose in the market today because of its flat body that is easy to install and manage in any garden. With this product's modern design, It is easy to store when not in use, and it does not create bulging on the ground when installed as compared to the hoses with a round design. It comes in different length varieties from 25 feet, 50 feet, and 75 feet to suit your specific hose length requirements. This soaker hose is also guaranteed to be durable to last long years of use. And since it is made of high-quality materials, it does not leak nor does it break easily under high pressures. This is a durable as well as efficient replacement to the conventional garden hose and the sprinkler. Number 1. Gilmour Flat Weeper Soaker Hose. The Flat Weeper Soaker Hose by Gilmour is a fair price and represents really good value for the money. It uses a PVC liner, which is perforated with several tiny holes all across its entire length. Then, the liner is covered in fabric to make way for water seepage. This creates the gradual watering action you're looking for. That's great for delicate plants and boosts the moisture content to their roots. Additionally, if there is ever a case where your ground is hard after a dry spell, you won't have to worry about losing too much water to runoff or evaporation with this design. The soaker hose is made out of 100% recycled and environmentally friendly vinyl, which makes it safe for your plants and a great eco-friendly product. You have the option to choose between 3 lengths: 25, 50, and 75 feet. The fabric covering protects the soaker hose from UV rays, preventing cracks due to sun exposure. This soaker hose is extremely lightweight, allowing you to move it around with very little effort. Plus, the flat design means that storage is convenient too. Thanks for watching. Hope you have no doubts about the 8 best soaker hoses on the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.